Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I was really in the mood for boba. I don't know if you guys know this, but I have been an addict for years, constantly spending all of my little coin that I have on boba tea. And I was like, why continue to spend $5 per boba drink when I see one of my favorite YouTubers making boba tea on her channel? Yong. She's amazing. I love all of her videos. She just became a new mom. And one of her most recent videos, she made boba tea. And it looked really fun, honestly. So I'm really excited to try it. I'm gonna follow what she does. I don't have the fancy tea that she has, but we're gonna make the bag tea work. Just in case some of you guys are broke too and wanna make it, I wanna see if it actually works and see if I can recommend it to you. So we're gonna watch a little bit and see what her first step is.
First step, we're gonna make the pearls. In a small sauce pot, add a third cup or 78 milliliters of water, a third cup or 65 grams of packed brown sugar. I highly recommend going by grams here, by the way. You just gotta trust Papa's intuition. Now heat that liquid to boiling, then reduce the heat to low, add half your tapioca starch, and quickly mix it in for about 6 to 8 seconds, then turn off the heat, and mix in the remaining half of your tapioca starch.
Okay, pot of water is on. Packed brown sugar. All right, we're gonna let that do its thing. I feel like it's not a lot though. It says 1 cup of tapioca starch. This is a chaotic, less aesthetically pleasing version of Joshua Weissman and Tina Yong's recipe, but it's fine. We're gonna figure it out. Shout out to Weissman's for having tapioca flour. That's good. He also makes a syrup. Fancy. Okay. All right, I see it, Joshua. We're gonna watch it again. We're gonna watch it again just to make sure.
Okay, so today we're making boba tea. And no, I don't just mean the flavor and then we're gonna go get tapioca pearls. No. We're making our own tapioca.
Now we're back on track. We add 1/3 cup of water. I'm gonna toss the first try. We're gonna try again. We're not giving up, people. One-third cup of brown sugar. And no, he's not talking about me.
Boy!
Am I doing it right? We don't know. We're gonna try our best. It's actually turning into a solid. Okay. I'm gonna put on gloves because they said it gets hot. It's actually not that bad now. I'm pretty proud of them. They kind of look like little hot dogs, but their transformation isn't over yet. So now I'm gonna roll them up and put them in a bowl. Oh no, they're getting hard. No one's first one is a winner. Let's go and try the second one. Let's try another one. Show a little lopsided too, but it's fine. Third time's a charm. You have to go so fast because it gets crumbly really fast. Maybe I can knead them like this. We're gonna do 2 at a time. I still feel like it's gonna come out good. Don't worry guys, maybe the boba won't look so pretty, but if you look far away and squint, I think it's gonna look good. I feel like that. Please do not judge me by the chaos that is ensuing currently. I am usually a little more put together. Only a little though. How are you guys doing? While I roll these boba balls, how are you doing? Are you as stressed as me? Are you happier somewhere? I hope you're happier because I wouldn't wish the stress on anyone. Oh my God, they literally look so bad. What the heck? I did this intentionally to show you that imperfections are okay. I feel like Tina thought hers looked really bad too, and then they came out really good. So maybe this is just a part of the process. He didn't say that, but I know he meant it inside. I think this is a silent step in the recipe. That's what we're gonna go with. All right, I just finished my last few. They don't look that great, but I believe in them. The next step is coat them lightly in some more flour. No! All right, we only lost 2. We only lost 2. They look great, honestly. It doesn't even look like we had all those issues in the beginning. They look pretty good. I'm happy. All right, now he says we can cook them in a pot of water. It's hot. All right, and we let it sit for 30 minutes. Okay, so they're done cooking. I just need to turn off the heat and let them sit for 25 minutes. They look pretty decent, kind of disgusting though. Hopefully it does look good later. And I'm losing morale. It didn't look like this in his video, but we're just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going. I think if I rinse them off, give them a little flippity flap like this, they may come back. I have good news and bad news. Good news is we finally have boba. Bad news is I had to scrape it off the bottom of the pot because I didn't stir while they were boiling. So pro tip, just remember to stir them because it took like 8 minutes. Now we're gonna add it to our syrup. This looks gross, but here we go. Okay. Yum. Now that the hard part is over, we can finally make it look cute. We're gonna do black tea in one and matcha in the other, just like Tina and Josh did. I got super cute containers because I'm like, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. So I have the containers here. Place a nice spoonful. Oh my God, no. I think that's a good amount. It looks like my boba has been through some things, and it's because it has. But we like resilient boba. We don't like the fancy, perfect boba. No. All we gotta do is add some of the matcha powder, and then we whisk it. Okay, I'm super excited. I feel like this is gonna come out good. He said good ice. Listen, I'm using the ice I got. Add the almond milk. Amazing. And now we add the matcha. That is what it looks like so far. Time to try it. There's pros and cons here. It tastes amazing. Pro. Con, I literally cannot get any of the boba into my straw. All right, time to try the black tea. Interesting. Oh my God. I forgot to buy black tea. I knew I was supposed to go to the store and get something, and it's the most important thing, so. The good news is we know that the matcha one tastes really good, so I'm just gonna make another one. I can't believe I forgot black tea. Whatever, it's fine. We're moving past it. This just means we get a really cool part 2. We're gonna make more matcha. All right, we have our ice. We have our nut milk. Bada boom, bada bang. To be honest, it looks really good and I'm gonna save it and drink it tomorrow. Overall, this experience was very fun. It was very fun, very chaotic. I did not expect it to go as badly as it did. But if you wanna have a semi-traumatic experience and do something new, I highly recommend it. So thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.